You guys are Capital Hunter here. Um, Actually, I was just about to fire up this generator here. My dad's generator. The Coleman PowerMate Vantage 8000. Here's what I'm doing it now. Usually what we use it for, or what I use it for, is, we entered one of my dad's box trucks, work trucks in the Christmas night parade of lights. I decorate my dad's big truck over here. That's the biggest truck we got. Big International. And big diesel. Anyway, and we need something to power it, and I just fire it up every year. This is October. I don't know. It's October 27th, I think. I don't know. It's almost November, but it's the date is December 7th. So I do it every year. I just like to fire it up in case something's wrong with it. I like to get it fired up, and this thing hasn't been ran in. I don't know why that's there. This thing has not been ran in definitely since last year. I mean, trying to think. Last time, probably likely it was last November, December maybe. That's when I ran this thing. So, just threw some gas in it. See how, let's see if she fires up here. Here we go. Let me choke. Get on the other side here just a second. Oh yeah, you can see it. It's a Briggs & Stratton V-twin, 18 horse, nice big engine. Alright, pull the choke out. See if she goes. Huh. She's not going. I can see gas getting in there. Be honest with you, actually this thing usually fires up every year. But last time, well, it was pretty good. Last time I put some carb cleaner, I just sprayed it in there, which I know starting fluid is bad. That's why I never use it. But I don't know, carb cleaner is just as bad or what. But that's usually what I'll do. Pop open the air filter here. There's no filters. I replaced that last year. Stupid extension cord out. I don't know, that cord's being annoying. But anyway. Yeah, I'm gonna go get some. Oh, that's a loose. I gotta tighten that up. Get some fluid here. See if I can get it fired up. It usually it fires up pretty good, but I need to get some carb cleaner. She'll fire up on that. Been messing with that. Well, I really haven't actually, but been a pain in the butt, so I really haven't done much to it. Not much with the snowmobiles either, but got some carpet cleaner. Got spray some of that in there. You will give it a shot. Alright. Let's see if she fires. Yeah. She's almost there. Got choking, I don't know why it had to be in. Must be something to do with the carbs on these things. They must suck. I don't know. I'll let that run a while, but anyway, that's fire right up. Right up. So I'm gonna let that run a while. Loud. She's a loud one. But this is kind of my view of my area here, my house, the barn. So yeah, just rate, comment, subscribe. See you guys later.